Ayan. Ito namang gagawa. There. I want with, peanut butter. I like it with peanut butter. Peanut butter. With pancit, just like Mother Earth.
Ang sarap ng ginagawa ng ate ko. Try nyo. Wag lang yung ouch, matapon. Pakilagay dyan sa gilid. Wag lang ito, at saka yung pancit. Hindi bagay, yung chocolate at saka pancit. Pero ito, peanut butter at saka pancit bagay. Yung jam hindi rin bagay. Ayan.
Strawberry kasi.
Ayan.
Philippine style.
Bagay din yung barako at saka ganyan. Andito kami ngayon sa Kakahuyan. Ang sarap magkape. Tapos may cheese pa yung bread. Parang yung pancit naging spaghetti kasi pagkagat mo ng bread na may cheese at saka pancit, hindi ko alam kung kumakain ako ng spaghetti o kumakain ako ng sarap.
The best talaga. This is the best ever. Pandesal with cheese with peanut butter and
Ganon. Like this. Okay. Peanut butter. Then pancit, yung aming baon na pancit. Ayan. Hindi kompleto ang pancit nyo pag walang repolyo. Ayan po, overload pancit yan. Ayan. Overload. Yung hindi na siya maisasara. Ayan. See?
and cheese. I like the cheese. I'm eating the cheese more than the bread.
Pinapawisan na ako. Teka. Iinit yung kape. Parehawak nga po. Baka matapon.
Sweater, super high. It's in the Philippines, you're not in Canada. My mother is wearing a sweater in the Philippines, but she is not in Canada. Nasyari lang po siya sa Canada.
Canada?
Yes.
Talaga?
Canada. Canadian. You're Canadian.
Ba't hindi mo pinapakialaman yung yung chocolate?
I don't like the chocolate. I like this overload.
Overload.
Oh my god.
Sarap kumain ng peanut butter bread with pancit. Somewhere down on top of the mountain. Or this is not the I guess this is a perfect place. Right? And there's a chicken right there.
Provincial. It reminds me of the of the pandemic days. I'll just stay in the mountain and eat pancit all day. That's what I did.
Yun ang karton na pansit yung dumating sa atin eh. Yun, marami tayo. Yung pandemic, meron kami 2 kaban ng bagas. Meron kami 2 kaban ng rice, bigas. Tapos, isang karton ata na noodles. Yun ang kinain. Yun ang pagkain namin. The whole month. Pasalamat ka, may pansit ka ng pandemic. Yung iba wala.
Yeah. True.
Yung bigas ata na galing kay, I don't know. Galing sa government. Namigay yung ating gobyerno ng rice. Very good kasi nakarating sa bundok.
They almost didn't make it because the road was so uneven.
Kahit yung road is uneven, it's still the rice arrived. Wow! Overload pancit. Ang sarap talaga ng pancit ko. Yung may makagat ng chicken, na may peanut butter, na may cheese, na may bread. Oh my God! What a perfect breakfast is this.
Breakfast, dinner. Ay, breakfast, dinner.
Dinner? Lunch pa lang po.
Ay, yeah. But I call it dinner. Dinner? I'm already full. Oh my goodness.
Siyempre, bus na. Paano di ka ma-full? Coffee, you want?
No. I like barako with sugar.
But that's barako.
Yeah.
Ito na.
I'm so full.
Pangalawang chef ko na to. Pangatlo pala, I mean. Enough na this, I love you.
You love again. I remember that movie.
Excuse me.
We watched it in a cinema. I cried so much in that movie.
Yes. Salamat na nila ko na yung phone.
Wait. What is happening?
Dito.
There.
May nakikita akong number doon. 20.
2014. Wait, what? Oh, 28, 2014.
Pahinga muna tayo. While inhaling the fresh air. Somewhere.
Somewhere down the road. What?
Madami pa.
Full.
Nakakabusog pala itong pagkain na to. Ngayon ko lang na-discover.
It's pandesal. Of course, it makes your stomach bloated. Bloated.
Favorite ko talaga ang pansit na merienda. Honestly. My favorite merienda is pansit.
Okay for me.
Pansit for me. And my favorite dish is what? Can you predict it? What's my favorite?
Ampalaya.
Ulam? Adobo.
You always eat ampalaya.
Oh yeah, but my favorite is adobo.
Super bitter. I like sinigang and adobo. I don't like sour stuff. That's why I like sinigang. Sinigang is my favorite. Also adobo, but not that much. Also chicken feet.
Yeah, adobo chicken.
That's so nice. I always eat the ulam first before the rice. Because it's super tasty.
Bili tayo mamaya. Chicken feet. Yeah, adobo natin.
Yay! It's gonna be another food vlog. Oh my god, I almost forgot to say it. Welcome to my food vlog. We were eating. That's so sad. You're still eating. It's like a little star, a little star, like a little star, bro.
Oh, bro. Why are you looking at me, bro? But you're not listening. I guess he's shocked while he's driving a motor. Like this, oh. I don't know if he's shocked, amazed, or what.
Disarrayed.
Discouraged?
Disarrayed.
Oh, I'm in the car. Yung preno niya. What's happening there?
Maybe because the road is like...
No, the road is safe. It's nice.
Yeah.
Ganda nga ng kalsada dito eh. Kesa sa atin, sana maano na lahat. Maano. Ayos na. Busog na ako, lumalabas na sa akin, bilbil ang buhok.
Every time I eat, I'm already sleepy.
Gusto ko yung pansit, ang sarap. Kahit busog na ako.
Right.
Excuse me.
See. The sun is raining.
Salamat ako sa pansit. Dahil nung pandemic, nabuhay ako dahil sa pansit. Salamat pansit, Pinoy.
Pansit. Let's eat pansit. Wait, what was your joke about pansit again? Let's eat pansit. Ano? I forgot the joke my mom always says when we
Let's eat kokoy na okoy.
Bruh! I like okoy. It's super tasty, especially when my mother makes it. She has her secret recipes.
Yeah.
That makes
Yun ang nagpapasarap doon kasi yung aking secret recipe.
secret ingredient.
Kaya ang pangalan nun ay Okoy ni Kokoy.
Shout out to you, Kukoy.
Kapatid mo ba? Kapatid mo?
No. No, so, what? Sir Kukoy. No, Mayor Sir, ano? Sir Mayor Kukoy.
Congressman na siya. Shout out to Mayor, Congressman.
Mayor Congressman.
Congressman. Kokoy. Salvador.
I don't have the right.
Let's eat Kokoy. Ay, Okoy.
What would you eat?
Peace. Ito kasi. Iinit mo yan. Excuse me. Iinit mo yan.
Okay. That's what the fun's for. Look, the sun is shining at me. I'm the star. I'm on the star.
Meron pa?
Bruh,
Meron pa, oh. Sayang.
you're hungry?
Sayang.
Are you hungry or are you full?
Meron pa sa gilid.
Bruh! You got to be kidding me.
Ganun ang kumain. Itakip mo na to, oh. Yung peanut ni... Si Peanut. Anak ni Luis Manzano.
What?
Okay, ini mo yung...
No, I'm already full. You know I'm full.
So now,
Yeah,
ang sarap ng ano, yung peanut butter. Gawa ito sa...
peanut.
Oh, gawa sa peanut. Pero iniisip ko kung saan lugar.
Philippines.
Saan sa Philippines?
Somewhere down the road.
Galing pa ito ng Apari.
Eh?
Tapos pumunta ng Hulo. Bumalik ng Central Luzon.
Bro traveled. Bro experienced a lot. Bro is a legend.
Ganon siya ka-travel like me.
Bro is a legend. The legend.
Patayin mo na! Ito naman gawa sa Baguio.
Yeah, true.
Pero pumunta muna ng...
Wait lang.
Yan.
Laguna.
Laguna. Pumunta
Yes.
ng Apari din. Bumalik ng Central Luzon.
I thought this was from America.
Mas masarap ang Nutella.
Yeah.
Mas mura lang ito, hazelnut anong to? Delesha. Ito ang binibili ko sa kanya kasi matakaw siya sa chocolate. Isang linggo lang niya to. Eh, mas mura to. Mas mahal yung Nutella.
Because it's tasty. It's the best. The best.
Doon tayo sa pangmasa.
I'm full.
Okay, thank you Lord, I'm full. Close mo na.
Bye-bye. See you in my next another food vlog.